Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix voice chat and microphone not working in Marvel Rivals. So there are a couple of methods you can use to fix this issue. So let's say for instance, you're playing a game with your friends and you cannot hear them over the mic. Follow these steps and this should fix that particular issue. Now the first one is to ensure that the voice chat is enabled on the game. So launch the game, be it on your PC or on your console, and access the settings. And then within the settings, go to the audio section and ensure that you're on the audio subsection. So if you're in the combat mix section, just select audio. And then within the audio, scroll down and find the voice chat settings. Now, as you can see, my voice chat has been turned off. So if you have this feature disabled, simply toggle it on and that will enable the voice chat on the Marvel Rivals. Now, additionally, you have to adjust the volume for each particular option. There's the voice chat volume and the mic volume. So adjust the volume adjust the volume to a point whereby you can be easily heard. So let me just put it at 80 and that should do well. And also adjust the mic volume to around give or take 80. Now ensure that once you have enabled these features or you have adjusted these features, go back in the game and see if that fixes that particular issue. Now, another way is by ensuring that the microphone is working properly on your console. So all you have to do is access the console settings, be it on your PS or on your Xbox. So access the settings. And then within the settings, since I'm on Xbox, go to account and then go to privacy and online safety. And then type in a pin if you have one. And then from here, choose Xbox privacy. And then scroll down and find view details and customize. So choose that. And then find the communication and multiplayer and select it. And then you should find these two options. The others can communicate with voice, text, or invites. And you can communicate outside of Xbox with voice and text. So ensure that this one is set to everyone. If you want to communicate with other people in the same platform, ensure that this option is enabled or set to everyone. And if you want to communicate with other people outside the Xbox, be it on PS and PS5, all you have to do is ensure that this is set to everyone. Or if you're playing with your game with your friends, you can simply select in-game friends. Once that's done, head back to the game and see if that issue has been fixed. So those are the couple of ways you can use to fix that particular issue in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.